All right, hear me out. I know that this sounds fake, but just look at this. I actually just got this text like 1 hour ago. I got the timestamp up. This text this guy sent me says, "Hi, I'm 67 years old and I would like to send a hoodie to my brother so that I can repair our relationship. I live in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and he lives in Montreal, Quebec, and I was thinking of maybe a picture of our mother on the left side of a hoodie and send that to him for a Christmas present. Is that something that you guys can make as a one-time transfer for me?" So I literally just got this SMS text message to us like an hour ago, and I think that this is going to be a perfect example of how DesignGen is going to be able to work for you. So we're going to take this guy's just a simple request, a pretty basic one. He wants a picture to repair his relationship with his brother. Again, I know it sounds fake, but I'm promising you guys it's legit. I just got that with a picture of his mother on the side of it. So this guy says he's 67 years old. Odds are he doesn't have any design experience, doesn't know how to use Photoshop, doesn't have Canva, those types of things, but he has an idea of what he wants. This example, this scenario right here is the exact reason why we created DesignGen in the first place. So let's take you guys through exactly what I would do if I was you and I were in your shoes, because this is what I do. So I already have my message sent out. I typed this whole message out, and then as I was typing, I was like, this is insane. Like, I have to make a video about this because this is just gold content. So let's send it over. I got my message typed out. I said, sure thing. Do you have a reference image of your mother that you can send me? Again, this guy, I'm telling you, so we'll just send this over and I'll hopefully hear back from him in a little bit. But it's been a couple days since I sent those text messages. I actually did not hear back from the client for an hour or so, so I completely kind of sidetracked that. We heard back from him though, and he was saying, I'll send the images as soon as I am back at my computer at home. He's currently traveling, so I said, that's not a problem. Just tried to get a couple more information. Are you looking to put this on a premium hoodie? What are you looking to do for that? Because he was asking for the specific prices. So I was just saying, no worries, let me know when you can send the image. And later that night, he was able to get the image sent over. So we have the image that we're going to be working with. What we know about this so far, we have the client is 67 years old. He lives in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And his brother, who the design is going to be made for, lives in Montreal, Quebec. He's thinking of using this design to kind of repair their relationship and gift it to his brother as a Christmas present. And he wanted to use this image of his mother to kind of tie the whole design together and act as that kind of conduit to repair the relationship. I think I get it completely, and I want to help this guy actually create the design that he's looking to do. So we have a little bit more information that we have. So in the follow-up text that he said for his image, he said that he wants to include the text Amman 1996 in the design. And the last thing is that his brother's name is Gary, and he wants to include that on the right side. He said that this guy is actually not looking for just the transfer. He's looking for the hoodie, the full finished package, and he's looking for something a little bit more premium, which lines up with what he's trying to accomplish, kind of using this as a repair kind of vessel to get the relationship back on track with his brother. I get it. So let's see what we can do with all of this. I think that this is a great starting point and we can work with this for sure. So let's take what we have, what we know, copy this, open up DesignGen. We can go to trydesigngen.com, click go to dashboard, and now let's actually create a new design. Let's use what we have, what we know. Let's just throw this in there and see what DesignGen gives us back, and we'll go from there. All right, and then for this one, when you are on DesignGen, you have the option to choose which AI model you want to create your design. So try them all out, see which one works for you. I'm going to go with the Ultra. I have a sore spot for it, not a sore spot, a soft spot for it. I really like the results that we can get from the Ultra. All right, let's just go ahead and generate this one. Let's see what we can get back. Okay, so we were able to get this one. It's all right. I think it could be a little bit better, honestly. So I'm going to pull a little trick track. I'm going to copy the design concept that we have up here, but I'm going to grab the generate with reference option. So I'm going to upload that. So this is a really good tool for actually generating new designs using existing ones. So this is going to take an existing uploaded image. I just uploaded this image right here, and I copy and pasted that prompt over. But again, we're going to get this implemented because as I'm kind of filming this video, trying to work this out, it seems like a no-brainer. So by the time you're watching this, there's a chance this is already implemented. But if not, just do what I'm doing here real quick. Copy and paste the design concept that you're getting from DesignGen when you're looking to create it. If you're not able to create exactly what you're looking for, like we are right here, I think we can do a little bit better. So we're going to get this started here and generate with reference. It's going to generate an entirely new print ready, transparent 300 DPI image that we can use to buy as a DTF transfer, buy as a hoodie, t-shirt, whatever it is. You can actually use that design. So it's going to be downloadable too. You can export it, take it with you wherever you want to go. But this is going to be really great for doing something like a memorial tee, something like anything where you really want to just use a photograph and kind of take that photograph, but add some design elements to it and make it ready to use as a t-shirt, whatever you're looking to do. So this is great for generating new ones. But if you have a design like a screenshot or something, you could go ahead and wow, that's good. That's so good, guys. I really like this one. I really like this one. I just kind of wish it was like, if we could like maybe keep the full color aspect of the image, I think that would really put it over the top. But I think overall, I'm going to send this one. I like this one. I think it's really good. And this is what I'm saying. I think we're really starting to cook with gas here. We're getting some good results. Everything is looking a lot better. This is much more in tune with, I think, what the client is expecting, what I was expecting personally. So let's go ahead. Let's try and get it to a full color state, though. If you guys are at this point interested, though, you guys can try DesignGen completely for free, as I've been saying. But if you get to the point where you've used up all of your free usage, you can sign up for the free hobbyist tier for just $1. Man, that looks so good. You guys can generate stuff just like this. As I was saying, $1, you can sign up to the hobbyist pay tier, normally $15 a month. Get it for $1 if you use the code Memorial Tees, and you can sign up, get the first month for just $1. Memorial Tees. Try the hobbyist tier on DesignGen. Try DesignGen.com. But this looks so good, guys. I really like it. Everything is spelled correctly. Transparent background, ready to print. We can buy this design. As I was saying, we can choose a number of different options here. Looking really good. Let's go ahead. Let's send all of the designs that we have generated. Let's send them over to the client. Let's see which one he decides to end up choosing. So for this, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to share my design. And this, with DesignGen, you can actually go ahead and share the designs that you've been working with super easily. So if you are one of the pro tier subscribers, you can create custom domain like links so that when you share the link, it can say whatever you want. So it can say Gary's Winnipeg, Montreal design. And let's see what we can do. So we'll say Gary, and then we'll just call that Gary's Winnipeg, Montreal design. And we'll sequence all of them through one. I guess we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we got like 5 or 6 here. So let me go ahead. I'll create all of these and we'll circle back up. When you are sharing one other thing, you get this nice handy suggested captions. So it looks at the design and then will tell you some helpful suggested captions to send this over to your friend, share it on social media, whatever it is. Copy the QR code. Here's the link as well. This design, I think, is really close to the picture, so we'll see what he thinks about that. And this one, even closer to the picture. How about that one? It's definitely more of a, we'll see. We'll see. So yeah, I'm going to get these sent over to him. I sent over, I got all of the links generated, right? So all of the links are ready to share. And then whichever one he chooses, he can go on here and actually buy the actual thing. So he can do this all himself. I don't have to, once I send him the link, he can go on here and buy the shirt, buy the transfers, whatever it is, and he can do all of that himself. So there's really, honestly, nothing more. So he can actually edit this too. So if there's something that he wants to change, he doesn't like the way that the name Gary is up at the top, he can make that change himself. He can actually edit that. He can remix the whole design. If he wants to, he can take the existing thing, change the whole design that uses the generate with reference feature that I was showing you a bit earlier. If he wants to take this design and say, screw this Alex guy, I'm going to just download the design and I'll go get it printed myself, do whatever. Unfortunately, well, he can do that. But I mean, hopefully he doesn't. Hopefully he sees the value in what we've been working with, trying to get him the best designs that we can actually make here. And I think that we were able to succeed. I'm excited to see his thoughts and get his first impressions. I'm going to send him over these links and we'll see what his thoughts are.
get subscribed if you guys are interested. You guys can generate your own designs just as like I've been showing you. Try DesignGen.com. Hopefully this has been pretty exciting. I know that this is still a lot going on. We're trying to figure everything out. You're going to have to still work with the AI. Might not get it right your first time, the second time, the third time, but just try thinking outside of the box, working with the AI to get exactly what you're looking for. Try different models, try different features, try different ways of getting what you need done. For right now, that's what we got going on. This is DesignGen. Try DesignGen. You can do all of what I've been showing you completely for free. It's not going to cost you anything, so help us give the feedback. If there's anything going wrong, any issues, any bugs, whatever it is, hit the little thumbs up, thumbs down, report a bug if you run into any issues. But for now, guys, get subscribed. More videos like this coming every day on the channel. Hit the like button down below if you guys want to see more videos like this. And if you guys are interested, you can always try DesignGen.com. Sign up for the hobbyist tier for $1 using the code MemorialTees. But for today, guys, I'm going to end it here. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
In a world full of visions, dreams on the run, we needed a spark, now look what we've done. Just type it, describe it, watch it unfold. Design